Hi everybody and welcome back. Now so far we've been working with only one piece of information at a time. We receive the user's input and then print that input or response to it. But to keep track of many users and pieces of information, we'll need to use lists and dictionaries with our while loops. A for loop is very effective for looping through a list, but you shouldn't modify a list inside a for loop because Python will lose track of what you are doing and the items within the list. To modify a list as you work through it, use a while loop. So we've mentioned before email subscription software, and let's revisit that example now. Consider this scenario. A user subscribes to our newsletter and we send them a verification email to verify their email address. After these users verify themselves, how can we move them from our list of unverified users to verified users? One way would be to use a while loop to take users from the unverified list as we verify them and then add them to a list of verified users. So let's take a look at how that program would look now. We start off with a list of unverified users. So let's add in our comments. Okay, so I just paused and added in some comments so you can see them there at the top. So as I said, we start off with a list of unverified users. So let's add in a comment to say that's what we're doing. Create a list of unverified users. Okay, so unconfirmed users equals, okay, so let's go back to our reliables. Tony, Frank, don't forget your single quotes, very easy to forget these when you're trying to move through something promptly. Mary. Okay, so a list of people who have subscribed to our newsletter but have not yet confirmed that they actually want it. Now another one, an empty list to hold confirmed users. Okay, perfect. And let's create that list now. Confirmed users equals and an empty list. There we go. Now we're going to create a while loop which runs as long as the list of unconfirmed users is not empty. So while unconfirmed current user equals unconfirmed user dot pop. Now you might remember the pop method from an earlier lecture, and what that's going to do is it's going to take a user from our unconfirmed users list and pop it into the variable current user. So when that's done, print verifying user space plus current user dot title. So we want to capitalize their name. And then we say confirmed users. So now we're accessing our confirmed users list. Dot append. So add to that list current user. So all very straightforward. And now to print out our users, we'll just add in a statement. Display all confirmed users. Okay, and in that we place print. We're going to place this on a new line. \n. The following users have been confirmed. So then what we're going to do is we're going to loop through for confirmed user. In confirmed users, print confirmed user dot title. Okay, so let's run this program and see what we get. Oh, an error. Append, and I've misspelled append. Okay, remove that A and let's run it again. Verifying user Mary, verifying user Frank, verifying user Tony. The following users have been confirmed. Okay, so there's an interesting error. The following users have been confirmed, but built-in meta title of string object. Okay, so let's see what that error is. Here we go. The title isn't working correctly. So let's just add in our brackets, which I forgot, run it again, and there we go. Perfect. So let's just have a look at our program. So first we create a list of unconfirmed users. So again, imagine our software scenario, our email software scenario, and we have Tony, Frank and Mary who clicked yes, subscribe to the newsletter. but they have not yet confirmed, so our list of confirmed users is empty. So while we have unconfirmed users, create the variable current user and add to that variable unconfirmed users.pop. So add in one unconfirmed user at a time, and then print verifying the user plus the current user. When that's done, go to our confirmed users list, which at the moment is empty, and append in the current user. So that seems very simple and very straightforward, and it is. Once you type this out and run it a couple of times, you'll realize how simple it is. Finally, we display all confirmed users, and to do that, we loop through our confirmed user list and print out each confirmed user in title case. And you can see the result here. So in our program, because Mary is the last of the unconfirmed users in the list, so you can see her here, Mary, we added her in last, her name will be first be removed and stored in current user and added to our confirmed user list. So indeed you can see her here in our confirmed user list, Mary. So I hope you found this lecture interesting. I certainly did, as it's more advancement on what we've been building up to so far. As always, if you have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact me, and I'll see you in the next lecture. Thank you.